So let's do the 11th main now. A minus 1 by a is given as 8 and we are supposed to find the value of a plus 1 by a and a square minus 1 by a square. So we have seen in the previous examples when we have a minus b and supposed to find a plus b. So we have this formula, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Same formula we will apply here. A is a, b is 1 by a. So I will just square this equation what we have right now. So let me square it. We get right hand side 8 square. So here I'll replace with this particular formula. A is a, right? And plus 1 upon a. B is nothing but 1 upon a square minus 4. A is a and b is 1 by a is equal to 8 square is 64. Now a plus 1 by a square as it is, we have a getting cancelled and minus 4 is equal to 64. Now let's shift this minus 4 to the other side. We get a plus 1 by a square is equal to, when it shifts that side it becomes plus 4, right? It becomes 68, isn't it? But this is a square value. We are supposed to find only a plus 1 by a. So we have to find the square root of 68. So what is the square root of 68? 68 square root by prime factorization method. 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 1s are, 2 7s are, 17 1s are, right? So now 2 comes out, square root 17 is the answer. For the second part, so a square minus 1 by a square, we have the formula a plus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a. A plus 1 by a we have found in the previously, that is 2 root 17, and a minus 1 by a is 8. The answer is 8 2s are 16 root 2, root 17. It's the answer. Let's do the 12th main now. 12th main question is a square minus 3a plus 1 is given as 0. We are supposed to find the two parts here. One is a plus 1 by a. The second part we are supposed to find a square plus 1 by a square. So here this is the equation we have. So can we write it a square minus plus 1? We'll shift this minus 3a to this side. It becomes plus 3a, isn't it? So now we have divided this entire thing, entire equation, divide by a. So what do we get here? A square by a plus 1 by a is equal to 3a by a, isn't it? So now we have here a getting cancelled. We are left with only 1a here. 1 by a as it is. So this a gets cancelled. We have this a plus 1 by a. So now we have got the value of a plus 1 by a. Already one part is done. How do we find this a square plus 1 by a square? To find the second part, I'm just squaring this equation what we have got here. That is a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 3 square. So when we expand it, it's get a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 times a into 1 by a is equal to 9, isn't it? Here a gets cancelled. This plus 2, if I take it to the other side, it becomes minus 2. So a square plus 1 by a square, I get 9 minus 2. Answer is 7. That's the final answer. So for the third part, we are supposed to find a square minus 1 by a square. We have a formula here, a plus 1 by a and a minus 1 by a. A plus 1 by a, we have got this answer as plus or minus, or we can just keep it as 29 here, plus square root 29. And a minus 1 by a, we have solved it. Okay, the answer for this a minus 1 by a is 5. The answer for a square minus 1 by a square is 5 root 29. Thank you. So let's do the 14th one now. We have this equation 3x plus 4y is given as 16 and xy is given as 4. We are supposed to find the value of 9x square plus 16y square, the value of it. So this is the equation what is given to us. We'll use this equation. I'm going to square this equation. So 3x plus 4y square is nothing but 16 square. We just have to open this equation. That is a plus b whole square, we get 3x square plus 4y square plus 2 into 3x and 4y is equal to 16 square. 16 square can be 16 into 16. 6 6 are 36, 6 1s are 6 plus 3 9, 16 here 6, 15 256. So 256 is the value of 16 square. So this side we have 3 square is 9x square plus 4y square is 16y square plus 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24xy is equal to 256. Isn't it? So now we are supposed to find the value of 9x square. What am I going to do is, we have this xy value, right? I am just inputting the xy here. 16y square plus 24 into xy value is given as 4 in the question. So I'll replace that with 4 is equal to 256. So now I'm going to shift this part this side. So 9x square plus 16y square. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 96. So 96 will go that side. I get the answer 256 minus 96. What is the answer for this? So 6 minus 6 is 0. 15 minus 9 will give 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. 160 is the answer for 9x square plus 16y square. So let's do the 15th question now. 15th question they are asking is, the number x is more than the number y. The number x is 2 more than the number y. How do we represent it? The number x is 2 more than the number y. If the sum of the squares of x and y, that is they have given x square plus y square is given as 34. Find the product. So this is 34 here. So find the product, that is xy we are supposed to find. So here we have this equation, right? I can in fact I can write it like this. X minus y is equal to 2, right? So now if I square this equation, so x minus y whole square is equal to 2 square is nothing but 4. Let me expand this. X square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 4. X square plus y square value is given as 34. So I'll replace this with 34. Minus 2xy is equal to 4. Now I will shift this to this side. I get the answer, and this I'll bring it to this side. I will get 2xy is equal to 34 minus 4 is nothing but 30. Now we can find the xy value easily by shifting the 2 this other side. That is, the 2 goes down. 30 by 2 will give me the answer 15. That is the answer for xy. So let's do the last question of this exercise, 16th one. The difference between the two positive numbers is 5. So difference, shall I write it like this? A minus b is 5 and the sum of their squares, that is a square plus b square, is given as 73. We are supposed to find the product of these numbers, that is AB value we are supposed to find. Understood? But we have this equation here, that is a minus b is equal to 5. I will square both the sides. I will get a minus b whole square is equal to 5 square is nothing but 25. Let me open this using this a minus b square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 25. We have the value for a square plus b square as 73. So 73 minus 2ab is equal to 25. Now I am shifting this that side, it becomes plus 2ab. I'll shift 25 to this side. It becomes 73 minus 25, isn't it? 73 minus 25 will give me 13 minus 5 is 8. 7 minus 3 is nothing but 4. So 2ab is 48. What about AB? AB is equal to 48 by 2 is nothing but 24 is the answer.